Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the SIM and ID. Begin now. Insert the Bsnl SIM, restart the phone, and watch for carrier name and signal bars. This confirms basic connectivity. Once you see service, enable mobile data in settings and set APN to start the internet flow. If prompted, accept carrier SMS settings. Make sure roaming or data saver isn't blocking. You're starting the activation steps deliberately, so the network can register your device and assign mobile broadband parameters immediately. Now you configure the core, the appin. Go to access point names and either create a new APN or edit the default. Use APN BSNL net and leave MMS fields empty unless required. Select PAP or CHAP only if connection fails. Save and then select that APN because the phone uses it to route internet traffic. Once done, toggle mobile data off and on to force re-registration. Finally, open a browser and load a page to confirm DNS resolution and data throughput. Finish by ensuring the phone prefers LTE or 4G and set APN protocol to IP4/IP6 for compatibility. If the internet still fails, swap the SIM into another phone to isolate device issues, then reset network settings on your phone. Make sure your plan or data pack is active. Balance and validity often block access. If none of that works, contact Bsnl support with your IMSI/MA and error details. They'll check provisioning on their end and push any missing APN or profile to your SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.